I saw this movie Suryavanshi, and the thing was, I was asked when will you put up the review of it. So I just have to say, yeah, that this film, that is a Katrina Kaif and Akshay Kumar starrer, is is one of the most intelligent films I've seen in the recent past. I mean, intelligent as in, for the first time probably I've seen that in a movie we are also given a glimpse of the other side, like as in the film is all about the it's based on all this terrorist attacks, and about how these certain terrorists assume different identities and live in India. So normally we are shown only one side of things, but here we are allowed to get a peek into the minds of these terrorists about how they lose their families, and hence there's this whole vendetta feeling. So really, yeah, I found this film quite thought provoking in that sense, and it's important to show both sides of an argument. So that is amazing, and it's a very well made film in terms of the locales and the kind of every frame in the film has so much hard work behind it, because you have like exploding cars, and then there's the scene of helicopters airlifting cars over the wide open sea. It must have been so difficult to shoot that particular shot or whatever, na. So do try and catch it. Yeah, it's called Suryavanshi, and it is a film that will blow your mind. So this is all that I can do in 2 minutes, and Akshay Kumar, you can trust him to choose intelligent scripts. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.